Hey crafty friends, it's me Rachel, and in this video we are going to be making a little decal for, I think it's called a Caravan, but if you're a camper let me know for sure. But anyways, we're going to be using TeckWrap's Colorful Pearl Vinyl. So we're going to be using this Colorful Pearl Blue. I mean, just look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we got the Pearl Yellow. Let's see if we can get some shine in there. Oh, absolutely love this yellow. And then we also are going to be using the Colorful Pearl Tiffany. Just look how gorgeous it is. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to move that over here so that way it doesn't get in my way when we're crafting. Bring in my little Caravan here, and I got this from Target. It was in their dollar spot or the Bullseye Playground, and I thought this is so adorable. It's not for play by any means, but there's actually a little light bulb in there, so I'm going to pull that tab where the battery's at. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little light bulb in there that I just turned on. And so obviously you can't see how bright it is just because of my lighting, but I just want to let you guys know. So it's really just for display purposes only. You can't open up any of the doors. So let's go ahead and move that to the side. I'm going to bring out my TeckWrap mat. And this is not a big project, but it's a fun project. And I'm going to bring in, I already cut my pieces to the size, and I'm just going to cut it all at once because they're all the same type of vinyl. So I'm going to put that there. And then I'll put this here. Okay, and then I'll bring this one to here. Now just make sure when you're doing this that it lines up with your design space or whatever you're using to cut. All right, I am going to remove each of the piece of vinyl, and then we can go ahead and transfer it, or read it and then transfer it, and we should be good to go. Here comes my favorite part of weeding the design. So I did a smiley face for the yellow. Super cute, love it. Okay. And then for the green, I did these cool retro flowers. That was so pretty, look at that. And then this one, I did some text. I figured since you take this little car for camping, I thought it'd be kind of cute to put happy camper. Oh, oops, that was my fault. Let me try to add that A back in there. Okay. Good, and we'll get that, this, and then we'll get the last one. Perfect, easy peasy. I'm gonna bring in some transfer tape because I'll need help transferring this to my Caravan. I don't need a large piece, really. I mean, they're not that big, so I think that should be plenty big. Okay. So the first one that we're going to do is this cute little smiley face. Cut off a little piece that I needed. Put that on my smiley's face like so. Then I'm going to bring in my scraper tool, scrape the front and the back. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and peel that up. Transferred just fine. And then let's see here. I think I have it here on the back. Let's get that centered. Got that, and then I'll go ahead and scrape that down. Go ahead and get the other elements added to this caravan. I thought we could use these retro flowers on one side of it, and then the text on the other side. See, that is the idea at least. Perfect. Okay. And just like the smiley face, oops, I got a little bubble in there. It worked out perfectly. You just want to scrape the front and the back. And then we'll go ahead and, well, let's see if I have to hold, sorry it's a little awkward. I'm going to have to hold it kind of weird. I don't know. I think it might be a little bit off. So let's go ahead and try to add that. I think I got that. Good. Let's go ahead and scrape that down really good. Try it again. I got that pretty close to the top, so I'm going to work on this side, and hopefully I can get that fixed. Yeah, perfect. Oh, love it. Look at that. You can really see it sparkle. Okay, and then the flowers, I'm going to try to reuse this. This is what's great about their transfer tape. You can reuse their transfer tape multiple times, so you're not having to keep on wasting transfer tape for every single thing. And then I will scrape the back. Oops. And on this side, now this side actually, you know, I don't think I took into account of the chair. So I think what we'll do is we'll put it behind the chair as best as possible. Sorry, I had it cut out, but I had to hold it weird, and it just was not going to look good. Or it wouldn't be able to tell how I was centering it. So I just kind of snuck it behind the chair. The part, I think it's going to be the hard part, is trying to get that out. Oh, wish. Alright, so here we go. Not that bad. And there we go. Oh my gosh, y'all. How cute is this? This is going to sit and display, be part of the summer decor. It honestly could be up all year round. I don't know, especially if you're a camper, this might just have to be up all year round. Now you could take it for a step further and put something here too, but I don't know. I kind of like, I know this is kind of like feeling 60s vibe, and this is why I added that type of font and flowers and that smiley face, of course. All right. Well, y'all, that is all I have for you guys today. Be sure to check out this vinyl. Again, it's the Colorful Pearl vinyl. We did blue, we did Tiffany, and then we also did yellow. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.